I show no emotion.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a crazy surprise for you. Kai's here.
Hey.
So stay with us today. We're bagging a Porsche. All right, guys, so I think the plan is, as of right now, we're still waiting for Ryan. So I think we're going to go ahead and jack her up, get her on the jack stands, maybe start taking wheels off, just kind of getting everything all set up so we can really have a good assessment when Ryan gets here. So that's the plan. Stay with.
What's up, man?
Look who just showed up. The myth, the legend, Mr. Ryan Cross.
Whatever you want to call me. You can call me a lot of worse things. So what are we doing?
Bagging this thing.
All right.
We're just putting it on jack stands, bro. We're just trying to get as far as we could before you got here and talk about it. But trying to make sure we don't put a hole in the bottom of his car while we're jacking this thing up, because it's meticulous German piece, you know. Bro, do you want me to go just add those to my interior pile in the?
I mean, it's pretty much out of the fucking way. I mean,
Yeah, but I mean, all the room we can get with this, the better it.
it's not wrong.
Well, dude, I think so far we decided this is where the tank has to go, because it's too wide for the front trunk.
It'd be better back here anyway.
Look how freaking short those things are, bro. Like, tiny, bro.
That's the fucking rear. The fronts are shorter.
Are they really? That's the rear?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This thing's gonna be on the freaking ground, dude.
444 or?
Yep. The only thing I'm worried about is the noise from the fucking compressor being in the cabin, but I mean, I can get over
I have five 580s for the black Mercedes, and they're quiet as shit.
You're quiet? Alright,
Quiet.
that's good. And
As long as you have your rubber grommets on there,
Yeah.
it's fine.
money.
Yeah, running lines is gonna be the main thing.
Yep. Like where and how, and then where we're mounting the valve and stuff like that too. Alright guys, so we're gonna keep jacking up the car. We're gonna get a game plan together with Ryan here, and then we're gonna I'll get back on here, give you guys an update, see where we're at. Alright guys, so right now we're trying to find the right jack mounts to get this guy up on jack stands, which we're having a little bit of a hard time doing. Alright guys, we got it on 4 jack stands. Now what? Pull wheels?
Take shit off.
Yes.
Pull wheels and figure out where we're gonna run lines.
Alright. You guys heard it. Now it's time to pull wheels, figure out where we're gonna run our lines, get more of a game plan. We'll get back with you. So yeah, dude, it's this one and then Gabe's RS section over here getting bagged too, dude.
I'm gonna order all the shit for this Friday.
Yeah?
Yep. This thing's gonna lay on the ground.
You gotta get a little different wheels, don't you? So you can tuck it.
Oh no, we're gonna make those up and go up in there.
These?
Oh yeah.
What are you gonna camber them out?
Well, they'll camber anyway, naturally.
For how thin they are, they just seem so kicked out, bro. Just the offset.
Offsets.
All right, guys. So right now we're trying to remove some of the inner fender well material to try to see where we're going to be able to run airlines, stuff like that. So
I think I was actually working on anything today. I need to.
You don't have to, man.
I'm just kidding. Just said go over make a game plan.
Fucking under.
These are over here too.
These.
These
we are making a game plan. We're just improvising. We're doing it while we do it.
I can be here for a little bit.
Yeah, man. All right, guys, just to give you an update here, we got more of the inner wheel well off. We took the inner kick panel off, a couple more interior plastics out, and we're actually cutting airlines. So we ended up running it up. And, let's see. Yeah, no, the lighting sucks. So here, up into the pillar, and then around through the back here. So we're doing the same thing with the passenger side, and then we'll keep rolling.
Here too, but it's glued on. It's supposed to be glued on. I'm trying to figure out why that doesn't just pop off.
That's weird.
Yeah, you're fine. There's nothing there.
All right, guys. So Kai's getting ready to drill the very first hole
Can you go more of this? Well, that'll be fine. Never mind. You're fine.
in the Cayman
Well,
for the bags.
tuck down in. I just
Drilling
don't want it to
airlines.
touch angle,
Right.
unless we have a grommet. I mean, I don't think we have any grommets because it's gonna be a raw edge.
Yeah.
So if you really bend it around that,
It'll be fucked. So
well,
you think?
it's just gonna chafe.
I mean, where do you
I
think?
mean, we can
this goes?
sandpaper in there though, bro.
Just do it there. You're fine. So I can drill it.
All right.
Here we go.
Whoa. Fucking sumbitch.
Yeah, center punch.
It was.
I see you. Put it in reverse and spin it.
And then run it back 1 through time forward. Yeah.
Did it actually spin? So,
Oh, that was. This broke my heart a little bit.
Hey.
this side though, we're gonna go from inside out.
Inside out. Sorry.
How you feel after that, Kai?
We didn't pull the inner fender yet, but
Oh yeah, I gotta fucking.
we
There's
can still drill it. It's not gonna hurt you.
There's a dick ton more fucking Allen
On that?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna grab some sandpaper. I'm gonna try to get in that hole so it's not like won't cut the airline.
Right on the side of that harness.
All right, guys. So we're still running lines. We forgot to do the power line when we buttoned everything back up, but Ryan's got it back off and he's cranking on that. So we got the power harness. Both front airlines are ran though. Both sides. Working on that. And then we hit up Will. Will's coming over in about an hour. He's gonna bring grommets so that we don't the airlines don't chafe and cut. So that's what's up. All right, y'all. Ryan's got a bounce.
The struts will just bolt right in.
We got way farther though with him being here, so we're still messing with all the power harness lines. running that back. So
Um,
we'll definitely figure that out. Kai's got the day off tomorrow, and I'm always off on Monday, so we'll get back into it tomorrow big time. But we're gonna keep working. We got Will coming with the grommets here in a little bit, and we'll keep on plugging. How you feeling, brother?
I'm good. Getting there.
Getting it. Look at this nasty thing rolled up in. Throw some D's on that. Dude, look at them D's on that thing, bro. Oh, getting a ditch, homie. Hey guys, that's the official Ryan Cross exit. You'll see a lot more from that dude soon, but that's one of the homies for sure. I was telling you guys on one of the last videos that you're gonna start meeting the crew, so he's definitely in there. He works a ton though, so he doesn't show up to our car meets or car gatherings and stuff like that, but yeah, man, he'll definitely be around, and we definitely couldn't be nearly as far as we are with this right now if he hadn't showed up, right, dude?
Oh, that's for goddamn sure. He is a goddamn godsend. I love him.
Yeah, man, we really appreciate him. So, yeah, man, that's how we doing it. Check back in a little bit. All right, you guys, just an update. It's been, I don't know, at least an hour since I did an update. We've been taking out the other parts of the interior and the rear here, and then we uncovered all the strut mounts. We took off the top bolts on the rear and then the top bolts on the front, and now Kai is actually down here starting to disconnect the lower control arm here, and then just the control arm, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna, I don't know if we have to disconnect the sway bar end link here or not, but basically we're just trying to get everything broke loose so we can get the struts out. So that's an update. Stay tuned. We're still working though. This is still the same day. This is not the next day. Keep it locked. All right, y'all. So update. We've probably been wrenching on the front passenger side strut for about an hour, maybe better. We finally got it out. There it is. Yeah, we're back to the world on that guy. So we finally got it out though. So if you've never taken apart a Porsche, that's how the strut assembly is. It literally slides right in there. So the bottom portion, here, I'm showing the shaft, that literally slides into there. And then that spot is for that mounting plate. But yeah, man, it was crazy. But look how much smaller the new air ride is compared to the old. And that's without the spring and the top has way bigger. So this, we should barely have to work to slide that bitch in there.
Let me amend what he said earlier. He said if you've never pulled apart a Porsche, just if you've never pulled one apart, just don't. Just fucking
don't.
leave it. Don't get one. Don't take one. Don't buy one.
Nah, don't do it. Don't do it. But so that's where we're at, y'all. We're gonna attempt to slide that new airbag boy up in there, and we'll check back in with you. But at least we have a game plan. So what we ended up doing is we kept trying to stand on the assembly to get it to articulate out, so we could clear the fender, and it never would. So then it was my idea to basically take the top hat off, take the spring off, and then literally we stepped on it again and pulled right out of there. So that ended up being the go-to. So I think that's our game plan for the other side. We're gonna worry about this side still though, see if we can get the new one in, and then go get it on the back. Right, Will?
Yep.
You like getting out of frame. This guy. This guy, bro. This guy.
I'm so excited.
This guy. Right? There it is. All right, guys, we'll check back in with you. We're gonna work on this a little bit, see how it goes. All right, guys, so I think this is where we're gonna end the video for today. Just kind of a recap. So we got as far as I last checked in with you guys. So we have the stock strut out of there. What we're dealing with now is the new strut from Aerodynamics is actually slightly bigger than the stock, so it won't fit down in here. And apparently we need a spreader tool that actually fits in this gap and then spreads this apart so that the new strut can fit in there. And apparently, like, you're supposed to use one of those every time you switch struts because there's not enough room. So we got a line on one of those. We're trying to get one for tomorrow. Kai's got the day off tomorrow, so he's going to come back, and we're going to crank on this thing all day tomorrow. So hopefully we can get one of those tools, and then we can keep on pumping. But yeah, that's our major setback as of right now. But hey, we got a lot farther today than we thought we were gonna. So I mean, you know, all in all, stuff's positive. We got lines ran. I mean, generally, we're getting stuff done here. So as always, you guys, subscribe to the channel, like, and share the videos, man. We got a lot of stuff going on. Ty's part of the crew, you know. Him and his Cayman S. He's got another dope car too. We got a bunch of people, so we'll keep working on other cars, cool projects. We'll keep working on the Flex. We definitely got stuff coming up for the Mini. Yeah. So anyway, that's where we're gonna leave it. We'll see you next episode. Y'all have a great night. Peace.